And what's the third thing that you need, babe, to have a productive partnership? Let's talk about the third thing.
Want me to show you?
Yeah. No, don't do that. Let's talk about the third thing.
You have to prioritize romance and passion, right? You have to prioritize that because, this is so important because you don't want to get caught up in, division. You don't want to get caught up in just communication, but you got to get caught up in the romance of things too, taking that time to build with each other on that level, because at the end of the day, that's a huge part of the relationship. So you have some couples you have what you call power couples, right? That they have the vision, they got the money, they got good communication, but someone is kind of stepping out, or they not connected on that level because they forgot all about the passion and all about the romance, right?
Yep.
They got caught up in doing everything else versus the passion and romance, right?
Yeah. That makes me think about, not getting stuck in the grind.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's what a lot of us do. We get stuck in the grind. And when we get stuck in the grind, we lose ourselves in the grind. And it could be both people in the grind, just stuck, just working and trying to do the thing, or just one person. And so when one person gets stuck in the grind, the other one is I'm sitting over here. I'm waiting for your attention. I'm waiting for you to put down your phone. I'm waiting for you to put the laptop away. And I'm just sitting here and I'm lonely and I want attention. Well, you know what? This other person will give me attention. The Netflix series will give me attention. That phone call will give me attention. I can give myself attention. And now next thing you know, there's an imbalance. And you're like, well, what happened? Like, I'm grinding. We're trying to get this thing together. Where was the passion? Where was the romance? We got stuck in the grind. Mm-hmm. And so that's a big mistake that a lot of couples make when they're looking to be very productive, is getting stuck in that cycle of grind. You got to make sure that you are prioritizing romance. You're prioritizing passion. You're prioritizing pursuit for one another.
Mm-hmm. And with that being said, last night we had we had to take it down last night. We sat down in this little picnic blanket in the living room and watched the good, what's the name of that movie?
American Violet.
American Violet. We watched a good movie last night. So sometimes you just gotta take that time just to, make time for the passion.
Yeah.
Pause for the passion.
Pause for the passion.
Oh, that's
drop that
right
in
there.
the comments below.
We got that.
You can write pause for the passion. Okay.
We got
hashtag
pause for the passion. We just coined that one.
Yes. It's ours. You heard it here first.
So you gotta pause for the passion, you know what I'm saying? So
absolutely.
And then once you get done with the passion, enjoy each other, then get back to what you gotta do. Get back to that vision, because to have a productive partnership, you're going to be constantly moving, but you got to constantly take those breaks too, and just connect with each other outside of your goals, outside of the business, outside of the things that y'all are desiring to achieve, whether that's even searching for a house, searching for a new car, all that stuff right there. You may not be into business, but anything that y'all have your vision set on, you got to take pause and pause for the passion.
Yep. Absolutely.
And romance is key.
And romance is key. Okay, that's what's going to keep you going. That's what's going to keep the drive, the motivation, the fire. What you want?
Thinking about that couple, right? The third thing that they said, right? They said
they said three things.
They said two important things, right?
Oh.
And then I asked them one more, and then they said something else afterwards. I forgot what else I said, right? Mm-hmm. They said something else afterwards. And said, you know what? She said, you know what? Out of 56 years, I think his name was Roger. She's like, Roger still writes me love letters and love notes. Romance. Roger pauses for the passion.
So he pauses for the passion.
I think his name was Roger. Roger pauses for the passion. Like I said, this is a beautiful thing. It was like they was
all the way you imitate people for me.
But you got to pause for the passion. So therefore, listen, the vision, communication. When you have your communication, be honest with it. And romance and passion, pause for the passion, those love notes, i.e. like Roger do.
That's right. Do it like Roger.
Do it like Roger.
Do it like Roger.